I just purchased this doggy car seat for my baby and I am in love with it. Look at how plush it is. It's super comfy and cozy for him. He really seems to like it. We've been on numerous trips. You have here on the side a pocket, and then there's another pocket on the other side. It's a very, very soft material. You have two straps that are adjustable that come with it. Here you have a clip at the top, a clip here, and then also have a clip to put on the back of your dog's harness to secure them in place. Now on the back side underneath, you could see there are also seatbelt loops. There are one on each side. So you could take the seatbelt and actually loop it through like a regular car seat and buckle it in on the other side. So that way this is stable and it stays put and it's not going to go anywhere. Here's a close-up view of the car seat outside of the car. You can see the size. What I really like about it is that it keeps my dog inside of the seat, so he's not jumping all over the leather and scratching everything. He's really just contained inside of his own area, which is perfect for us. You can also easily wash the cushion that comes with it. This is the cushion here with the zipper. The cushion top will come off and you can wash this with ease. So if you're looking for a great car seat for your pet, I strongly recommend this product. It also comes in other color options, so you can choose whatever color that you would like. Go out, grab yours, and enjoy your purchase.